For years I had attempted, unsuccessfully, to sustain a weight loss program. Then, in the year 2000, I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. My diet had to change. I needed to lose weight. If I didn't, I realized with crystal clarity, I could lose my health and let my wife and children down. Literally, that same day I began a dietary regimen that continues to this day. My weight dropped 40 pounds and I regained control of my blood sugar. What was the catalyst for the change? Years of telling myself to eat differently, exercise more, and lose weight produced absolutely no results. A single emotional experience of the necessity for change, however, made all the difference. I didn't just think I needed to change, I knew it with every fiber of my being. I felt it. So it is with traders. It's important not just to have goals, but also to directly experience yourself as capable of reaching those goals. Psychologists call that self-efficacy. Try this exercise. Before you start trading, seat yourself comfortably and enter into a nice slow rhythm of deep breathing. Imagine yourself, as vividly as you can, starting your trading day. Watch the market move on the screen. Watch yourself tracking the market, your day's trading ideas at your side. Then turn your goal for the day into part of your visualization. Imagine yourself performing the actions that concretely put that goal into practice. If your goal is to control your position sizing, vividly imagine yourself entering orders at the proper size. If your goal is to enter long positions only after a pullback, imagine yourself patiently waiting for the pullback and then executing the trade. As you visualize yourself realizing your goal, recall the feeling of pride that comes from realizing one of your objectives. Bask in the glow of living up to one of your ideals. Let yourself feel proud of what you've accomplished. We are most likely to make and sustain changes when we perceive ourselves as efficacious, capable of making those changes. With guided imagery that you feel as well as see, you can create powerful emotional experiences and catalyze change every single day. That's when you become a change agent, one who sustains a process of transformation. The key is adding emotional force to your goals. Your assignment is to take those lifeless goals off the piece of paper in your journal and turn them into vivid, powerful movies that fill your mind. Try it with one goal, one movie in your head before you start trading. It is not enough to set goals, you must feel them to live them.